for in place parameter. Go for what?
In place
I believe you done that practice. Missing value. Yeah. Daniel, there is a file. So did you miss anything? Running notes, PDF, data set. Did I miss anything? No. Right. If I miss anything, do let me know. Fruitspawn.csv file. CSV file. Daniel, data frame I have created. What I have created, sir? Data frame I have created. This data frame may have missing value. May have what, Sarji? Either it is having or not. First you need to check actually. Check missing value. Check what exactly, man? Yeah, Daniel, I have verified. If missing values, yes, missing values would have. Please handle it actually. Chappan sir, please handle. Please handle. Handle actually. Handle properly. If you didn't handle, ML algorithm will impact actually. If you didn't prepare properly now, it will impact actually. When it will impact, during interview. So seems to be, yeah, Daniel, no missing value. No missing value. Tell me, sir. No need to handle. No need to handle. Just move to the next step. Such a nice hierarchy. There is a data set. Data frame created actually. After data frame created, here on top of this data frame, up to you, basic operations. Head method you can call, top method you can call, info you can call, things actually. Along with that, one more major operation will be check missing value. Chapman sir? Checking missing values actually. Yeah, Daniel, I'm checking. When you are checking missing value, either one of these answer actually. Yeah, we have a missing value. If you are having missing value, please learn how to handle actual. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. Then check in the sense recognize or identify. Please, you have to recognize or identify actually. Yes, please handle. No, Daniel, I am checking missing value, but no missing value. Then what exactly, sir? No need to handle. No need to handle. We started already yesterday. Yesterday, what I done, exactly. So these are all points we done. I have loaded CSV file. CSV file. Then I applied isNA method. I called what method, sir? df isNA method. isNA method actually. The next one, after you are calling isNA method, it is giving the result as a boolean value. Result is what exactly, sir? Result is boolean value. Boolean values. But I need what exactly? Column wise missing values count. Missing values what such a count actually. Then we need to apply df dot isNA dot sum. Yeah, very good. So we need to apply. Nice. But anyway, let me do one more time. Let me execute one more time in front of you. You will get a clarity. Yeah, Daniel. Grab the dataset first. You can get the dataset, sir. I believe you guys are really very good in preparation. If you are not good actually, please start the preparation. Okay. So let me import pandas as a PD. df equals to pd.read underscore CSV. Let's get the data frame. Inside coding, yeah. All right, so we have loaded the data set. Daniel, the data frame is ready. Yeah, data frame is ready. Now I wanted to check either it is having missing values or not actually. Any idea what I need to do? You can just try to do one thing. df2 equals to df1 dot isNA method. What method, sir? isNA method. isNA. What exactly, sir? isNA. This is so called as what exactly? No, df2. df2. isNA method returns boolean values as a result. Is any method returns Boolean values as a result? Oh, is it none actually? Is it missing value? No, then false. Is it missing value? Yeah, value is missing, then true. Okay, so we already know. But Daniel, I need column wise missing values count. S equals to df2 dot sum method. What method, sir? Sum method. Now please make a note on this one. Now here you need to just try to add what exactly, no sir? This one actually. Good. We got a nice report actually. Good report we are having. Order ID, no missing value. 150 out of 150 values would we have. The next one, apples having missing value. 16 missing values in the sense 134 values are present actually. Am I right or right? And 16 values are missing out of 150. Then oranges, 16 values are missing out of 150. Banana, 21 missing values out of 150, right? Yeah. Nice. Let's continue today's session. We done these are all. Sometimes client will ask, Daniel, I don't want number 16, 21, 31, something like this actual. Client always need percentage wise. What wise, man? Imagine here, if it is a 16, you need to explicitly tell, sir, 16 out of 150. The next one, 21 out of 150. 30 out of 150. Extra value also need to tell. But if you are telling like a percentage wise actually, percentage means calculation will be 100%. What exactly, man? Let me know out of 100% how much it is missing. Either 5% or 10%, 20%. Let me know the threshold value actually. Okay. So to calculate that one, yeah, it's a very simple surgery. Percentage wise, take this value and multiply with 100. The very basic example. Take this value. Yeah, Daniel, every value we are multiplying with what exactly, sir? 100. And let's divide with the length. Let's divide with what exactly? Length of data frame. Length of data frame. Now, indirectly, you are going to get a percentage wise result. What result, Sarji? Percentage wise. This is good practice. Look at my data. You can ignore digit actually. Now, Daniel, no missing value, 0% missing value. Out of 100. Percentage means I no need to tell 100 actual. So 10% is missing. How much? 10%. Orange also 10% is missing. Can you tell me banana? 14% data missing actual. 14% data is missing. Are you clear, sir? Okay. Now this is really very good. This is kind of some percentage wise. Okay, easy. These are all very easy. But let me ask you a few questions. Let me ask you directly. Can you please tell me how many methods I'm using in this example? In the method, in example, how many methods I'm using this example? Tell me. One. Nice. What are those? Good. Let me ask a difficult question. How many functions I'm using? 1. 3. Come again. 3. 2. Tell me first one. Read underscore CSV. Next one. Length. Next one. Nice. Read underscore CSV coming from pandas. Length is coming from Python. Print is coming from. Then you should know Python. You should know what, Sachi? Python. Python actually. Nice. Move on. Now, yeah. It's the right time. Daniel, we recognized there are missing values. We recognized there are what exactly mean? Missing values actually. We are good to go. Okay. Now it's the right time. How to handle? Daniel, there is a data frame. Exactly. Key point. Now how you are traveling from here, let me explain. There is a data sets I have loaded. Daniel, data frame is ready. And I'm able to recognize checking missing value. Chapan sir. Checking missing values. I have verified actually. Then yes, there are missing value. What exactly mean? Yes, there are missing value. Then learn how to handle. Learn what exactly, sir? How to handle actually. Yeah, Daniel, how to handle, The first one, we can handle by using one method. Method name is a drop NA. What is the method name? Sir, method. Again, method actual. Do you wanted to handle missing value? Yeah, Daniel, I wanted to handle missing value. Just you need to call a method. Method name is a drop NA. Can you tell me what is the method name? One more time. Drop NA. Drop NA. The next one will be df dot fill NA. Fill NA method actual. The next one is df dot replace method. Df dot what method man? Replace method. That's what you need to be understand. Daniel, there is a data set. Okay now. Data frame created. Okay. Did you check missing value? Yeah, I'm checking. I have checked missing value. And yes, there are missing value. If there are missing value, learn how to handle. These are all ways to handle the missing value. Then this is the end code actual. Now the next session I'm going to drive. I'm going to explain what is drop NA, fill NA, replace, close the chapter. You should know the roadmap. What I'm covering, you should know. I know roadmap actually. Why? Because I know what I'm teaching very well. You also have an idea. Can I continue? Sir, trust me, methods discussion is more. What discussion? Yeah, previous day, rename method. Yesterday, is NA method. Yesterday, is NA dot sum method. Today, drop NA method. Next one, fill NA method. Next one, replace. Tomorrow method actual. Are you clear? Now, with my whole experience, I'm telling, out of 100%, 99 discussion is about methods only. 99% discussion is about. Then you should know where to focus very clearly. What is the target? Learn the methods actually. If you learn method, it's very easy. Task will be very easy. Can I continue? Yeah. Methods, man. Nice comparison. Drawing like this. Okay. Yeah, move on. Daniel, the first one, drop NA. Drop NA method. I will show you what exactly happened. First of all, I will explain the example. Then you will get a clarity. Okay. Everybody look at my screen, please. I request you. Here, first you should understand the code. Then you can understand the theory. First you should understand what exactly mean code. Next you will understand about the theory. Okay? Yeah. What happened, whenever you are calling this drop NA method, write a code, Sarji. Import pandas as PD. df1 equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file name, sir? fruits1 dot csv. Good. Then df2 equals to df1 dot drop NA. Yeah, Daniel. Now let me just try to print df1, and even let me just try to print df2. Let me just try to print what exactly meant df2. But before executing this example, let me ask one question. Can you tell me number of rows and columns?
Shape method.
150 rows and one more time. 150 rows and remember, that is a basic fundamental. If somebody is asking about the data frame, the basic fundamentals you should know how many rows and how many columns. How many rows and how many columns. At least you should know that information. Okay. Yeah, Daniel, we loaded the original data set, which is having 150 rows and 4 columns actually. Now, when you are trying to applying on drop NA method on df1, Daniel, what exactly happened in the backend? Can I tell you what is going to happen, sir? Em jarugutundo cheppantara? Daniel, please explain. Let's open the data set. Drop NA method. What it will do, drop NA method, it will come and it will try to access first record actually. It will try to access the first record. Okay, it is accessing. When I say record row, first row it will access. In the given row, if any value is missing, in the given row, if any value is missing, gone case, drop NA method will drop this row actually. Will drop this row. Now I have a question. Yeah, first to record, value is existing. Sir, value is not existing. There is a missing value. Then it will close the eyes and it will delete actually. No mercy. Daya dakshinalu undalu anamata. Are you with me or not, sir? Drop NA method will drop the row if at least one value is missing. Drop NA method will drop the row. When it will drop actually, if at least One value is enough actually, missing, gone case actual. Now move on to the next one. Sir, drop in a method is trying to access in this row. No value is missing. Value is not missing. Value is not missing. Value is not missing. Drop any method will tell, yeah, you're good actual. And బతికిపోయావు అన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట, రైట్? Can you tell me the next one, sir? No missing value. Missing value is not, value is not missing. Can you tell me? Yeah, then what it will do? It will drop. It will what exactly mean? Drop. Did you understand? I mean to say, if you apply drop NA, where all values are available, that records it can keep actually. It will save. Are you clear or not, sir? Right? Good. Let's just try to apply. We applied actually. Can I write here actually? Drop NA is a method. This is method in data frame. Who should access by using DF object, data frame object. This method will drop or remove. So remove the rows, the row where at least one value is missing. At least one value is what exactly, sir? Missing. Gone case. No mercy. This method will drop or remove the row. Oh, tell me the condition. Where at least one value what exactly mean? Missing. Fine then. Let me show you. You will get an idea. We'll do one thing. Yeah. So let me just try to display this one. You will get an idea. Quite interesting. Everybody look at my screen. Everybody, I request you. Everybody look at my screen. What are you doing, sir? You are printing DF1. Yeah, this one is a DF1. DF1 in the sense original data set actually. The data set what do we have? Total 150 rows and 1 columns. Sorry, 4 columns. I'm still sleeping mode I guess actually. 4 columns. Good. Now the moment when you apply drop in a method, instead from drop DF1, what happened, Sir, it is verifying and this record is deleted actually. 0th index is not available here. Yeah, exactly. Now here this record is not deleted. Why? Because every value is available. Yeah, please make a note. First index row is available. Now the second one deleted. I'm sorry. Second index deleted. Third index also deleted. Fourth index value, no, it is not going to be deleted. Why? Because all values are available. All values are what, Sarji? From this, you will get a clear picture. Now I have a question. In my store, fruit store, I hope yesterday I explained a small story. I think like I started one small fruit stall. 150 customers came. Out of 150, how many all bought will come to know actual? Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, see, now how many all bought actually? I like these are all prime customers actually. What customers, man? Why prime? Why? Because they bought everything. I mean, they touch every fruit actually, every fruit. Can I get a response or not, right? So that's what you need to be understand. Conclusion of the story, out of 150, 105 records are having all values actually. All what exactly mean? Values. Did you understand? Can I get a response? Okay? Yeah, good. Let's take this one. And you guys kindly please work. Practice, man. You do practice, will get an idea. So this method drops the row where at least one value is what exactly mean? Missing. Fine. Next scenario. Good. Really very good. Yeah. Please look at my screen. Sir, DF1. Either it is having missing values or not. How to check actually? Is NA. Is what exactly mean? NA. But is NA method returns Boolean value. Who need Boolean value? I don't want. I need column wise count. You need to call some method. You need to call. Yeah, good. Daniel, it is having missing value. It is having what exactly mean? Missing values report actually. Original data frame. Now what I'm telling, sir, you can call drop any method. You are removing all missing value. Instead of this one, no missing value, you need to cross verify actual. How to cross verify? Exactly. Same story, sir. Dot is an A. Dot what exactly mean? Sum. Now your answer should be all zeros. DF2 should contain what exactly mean? All zeros. This is the cross verify, confirmation. Yeah, exactly. No missing value. Did you understand or not, sir? So the point is, first two data frame having missing value. What is a confirmation? You can call like this. Second data frame, you have already dropped all missing value. Please confirm once again. Yeah, you can call isNA.sum actual. That's what this example indicates to. Did you understand, sir? Good. Let's check this one. Be regular to the session. That's it. Column wise count actually. Oh, this is so fun, man. Let me tell you. What I'm trying. Okay. Good. Everybody look at my screen. First of all, go back here. I wanted to write df1 dot head method. That's still okay. Okay. Now after what exactly dropping also, let me look at the data. df2 dot what exactly is our head method. Am I right? Head method indicates to it is displaying top 5 rows. It is displaying what, Sarji? Top 5 rows. Good. Everybody look at my screen. Now if you closely observe the result actually, can you please observe the result? Come on. Please focus. You will understand the next example. See, this is having missing value. That's what here we are having decimal value. We are having decimal. When I say decimal, floating value. What value? Now, from this data frame, all missing values dropped actually. All missing values. Am I right? Good. Now, look at the data. Look at what's Sarji? Data. Just imagine, let me give a small example. I have a owner. I am just like a boy in fruit stall. I'm a boy in the sense, seller boy actually. Who are all coming to the customer? I need to collect the money. I need to give fruits packet. I need to give what exactly, man? Fruits packet. Think like I'm a boy. Suddenly my owner came, sir. Just now, suddenly my owner came. My owner is asking, Daniel, look at the record. And the first customer, how many apples he bought actually? First customer, how many apples he bought actually? Can you tell me how many apples he bought? 12.0. If I reply to my owner, sir, so-and-so customer bought 12.0 means owner will look at like this actually. Why? Because, let me tell you, fruit count should not be floating actually. This is not a, what I mean to say that, can I get a 12 of what exactly? Apple is actually, that is not fair, am I right? Half apple we should not sold out actually. Sir, but it indicates to the same. Indirectly, if these values are having boolean floating value, it means to say that half apple also is sold out actually. But I have a question. Why these floating values are, first of all, did you understand? Why we are getting this floating value? Because of missing value. Still the nature same. Already we will drop. We are telling boys, go away. All missing values actually. All missing values we have removed. But still the data type nature remains the same actually. Now what we need to do? Exactly based on scenario, we can convert from floating value to what exactly, sir? Integer value. That's what I mean to say. If it is a rupees, you no need to convert actually. If it is a price tag, you no need to convert. But this one is a fruits count. Fruits what, Sarji? Count should not be float. Count should not be. Best example you are asking. Hey Daniel, how many pet animals should we have? Either I should say 1, 2 or 3. I like pet animals. But can I say we have 2.2 actually? No. Invalid actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay, yeah, good. Then Daniel, what you're doing? What I'm doing, Sarji. So now df3 equals to df2 dot, so what is the method name? As type. We are converting into integer. We are converting into what exactly? Integer actually. Integer. Now this is really great. df1 dot head method. df2 dot head method. df3 dot head method. Sir, first one having missing value. Second one, we are dropping missing value. We are dropping missing value. All columns missing values you are dropping. If you are having question, can I drop column, specific column missing value? We can drop actually. We'll see that one later. So seems to be 3 columns you are dropping at a time. But I wanted to drop only 1 column. Actually, we can do that one also. We'll see that one later, right? You will get an idea. The next one, this data frame still having all our floating value. I wanted to convert into integer. Sir, I have question for you. What is, hold on. I'm calling something by using object name having parenthesis. Method. See, again, new method actually. Again, what's Ajay? New method based on requirement. Method, sir. Original data frame. We handle drop in A, right? The next one, sir, this is really nicely formatted data frame actually. Did you understand? Yeah. So I have a question for you. Can you tell me drop in A? Method, as type, method, head, method actually, method. Oh, quite interesting. Let me tell you. In place, what is this one? See, drop in, first of all, what do you mean by in place? Instead of creating a new object, I wanted to apply changes on existing object. Now, conclusion of the story. How rename method will create a new object. Drop in a method also will create new object actually. I wanted to stop that nature. Then go for in place. Go for what, Sajid? In place actually. In place. Okay? Yeah, good. Drop in A. Without in place. Without what exactly, sir? In place actually. This method will create new object with the changes. Next one. Drop in A. Come up with in place. In place actually. This method will, so apply changes on existing object instead of creating. Chappan sir. Instead of creating new object actually. You should know these two difference. Daniel, what do you mean by in place? Just yesterday I covered. When you covered, you were absent yesterday, I guess actually.
Sir, these are all important topics, sir.
I have today early login, sir. Maybe I may close 10:30. We'll see. Let me try my best. Few juniors joined actually. For them, I need to give a KT. Okay, it's okay. Good. Back to the session. Daniel, can I call a drop in here? Yeah, you can call a drop in here, sir. You can just have to come here. df1 dot drop in here. Just in place equals to true. In place equals to true. Guys, can somebody talk with me what it is? Keyword argument. One more time. Can I change this name? No. Keyword argument name should be fixed actually. If you're trying to changing, type error. What error? What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Nice man. Follow the same actually. Cross verify Daniel. This is before applying. This is after applying. Daniel, how to remember? Through practice only. Through practice only, sir. Something. Ayyo. That's it, sir. I request to use notepad only as of now. Okay. With replace. Not replace. With in place actually. Okay. maybe today, let me talk with you, come out of the topic actually. Python shell, let me talk about the Python shell, you can say, interpreter you can say, the next one, REPL also you can say, REPL actually, repel, right? Good. This is out of the topic, sir, not Pandas topic actually. Good. So let me close everything. Just come out of the box for some time. Good. Daniel, guys, open command prompt, any location, that's still okay. If you want here also, you can open a command prompt, that's still fine for me. Here you can open command prompt, open what's the command prompt. Now, here you can just try to type py. Did I explain this? You can go for the, did I explain? Let me explain. It's okay. Even if I explain, let me explain one more time. Right, coding py. This is the py is a command. Py is what, Saji? The moment once you enter py, it is going to navigate you one environment. This environment is called as a Python interpreter. What is that? Python? First of all, Python interpreter means it's a program. Here you can write line by line actually. What is a hello program? Hello. You can write like this actually. The moment once you are entering, enter button, once you are pressing enter button, you will get output very quickly actually. This is really beautiful. Immediately you will get output actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Right? This is called as a Python interpreter, you can say, Python shell you can say, REPL also you can say actually. Let us execute Pandas example. Execute. Let's try actually. We'll do one thing. Where your file is available, listen carefully. Where your file is available, open command prompt here. Open the command prompt. Yeah, Daniel, I have opened command prompt. Clear? py. Yeah. Now import pandas as pd. Good. Loaded actually. Now df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file name, sir? Fruits1 dot csv. Now let me just try to run this one. Okay, data frame created actually. Do you wanted to see the data frame? You can use printdf. You can use what, Saji? Printdf. The beauty here it is, you can, instead of using print, you can just directly use df actually. Wow, you will get output here itself, Saji. Such a nice actually. Ardenda, sir. Right. Daniel, I wanted to see top 5 rows actually. Df dot head method. Very nice. The next one. I wanted to see last 5 rows. Tail method actually. Very good. I wanted to know data frame. I wanted to see number of columns actually. Number of rows and columns. Shape attribute. I wanted to display all name of the columns.
Df dot display.
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Yeah. Come on, tell me df dot columns attribute actually. What attribute, man? Columns. But what is the limitation here, Anna, if you close this one, gone case. Whole code will be deleted actually. Can I get a response from you? In real time, we never ever use this kind of environment, but we should aware. Okay, this kind of environment also would we have. For your better understanding, let me repeat again. A very simple man. Once after Python installation is done, but you know what? Many trainers, they will explain the code here actually. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If he's from real time, he should not explain actually. I'm from real time. Till now, you don't know this environment actually. We should never ever use this environment. If any trainer is using this environment, I'm sorry for saying, he's not from real time. Then you understand, I guess. You can just open this one. Create a variable a equals to 10. A equals to what exactly, sir? 10 actually. Print what exactly? A. Otherwise, you can use a like this also. Yeah, I have created a variable, I'm using. The best practice will be these 2 lines, write separate one program, save that program, run that program, permanently you can save actually. But the moment once you click on this one, this code, it will be gone, disappears. Make ardhendalade Sachi. Okay, fine then. Pandas example, let us import pandas as pd. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Sales, not sales, right? Fruits1 dot csv. Sir, shape, number of rows and columns actually. df dot columns. Df dot what exactly, sir? Columns attribute. Now I wanted to know data frame information. Df dot info method. What method? Info method. Quite interesting, sir. Very interesting. Oh, did you notice? Info method also will give, sir, this number and this number should be matching, no missing value. And this number and this number should be matched, not matching. There are missing value. There are missing value actually. Make a note on this one. Okay. Good. We are good to go. Maybe I thought I covered actually. Yeah, we can move on. Open command prompt and type py command. Then enter. Enter actually. Then you will get this kind of environment. So you will get a kind of some Python environment, and here 3 greater than symbol. Here you can write a code. Here you can write what exactly sir code actually. This is a really good practice. In your free time, if you want, you can do. But in real time, we never ever use actual. Daniel, I have created a equals to 10. Then so it's a line by line execution, sir. It's what exactly line by line execution actually. Line by line execution. Instead of using print statement, can I directly print a actually? Yeah, still you will get output like this also. Did you understand, sir? Right. But we are not using this kind of environment in real time. Okay. Now come to the session. Daniel, explain what you covered till now. Fill in A before entering into the next method. So we can close this one today. If time permits actually. Good. Let me give a small recap. There is a file. Created a data frame. We are checking the missing value. Check what exactly, sir? Missing values. Yes, it is having missing value. Then what is the first technique actually? Chappan sir, what is the first technique? Yeah. So the first one, drop NA. What is the first one? Drop NA. To checking the missing value, what is the method name? Is NA. Is NA actually. After we are dropping missing value, I wanted to change data type based on requirement actually. Can you tell me method name? As type. As type actually. So Daniel, sometime I need column wise count actually. Column wise what exactly mean? Count. This is the way we need to cross verify, right? Checking missing value is an yeah. So this is kind of seriously very good actually. Okay. Then that's what I covered, I guess. Okay. df dot is an a. df dot is an a dot sum. These are all we called actually still now. Next one, df dot come again. Very good. Drop in here. Then df dot as type actually. Then df dot fill in here. In between, did I covered any method? No. Yeah, Daniel. Oh, very good. Very nice. df dot what exactly? Drop NA in place. Good to remember this. In place parameter. Kind info. You should maintain this kind of running nodes so that you will get a clarity. These are all I have covered till now. Ultimately, data frame is matter, sir. If you have a data frame, you can call any methods actually. Is NA, sum, blah blah blah. Move on. Now the next method name is a fill NA. What is the next method name? Fill NA. Move on. What is a fill NA method? You know, sir? See. Go back. Whenever you are calling drop NA, what is happening here actually? We are dropping the row where at least one value is missing. Let me just try to repeat again. df2 equals to df1 dot drop NA. df1 dot what exactly, sir? Drop NA. You can just try to print df1 dot head method actually. The next one, you can even just try to print what exactly, sir? df2 dot what exactly, sir? Head method. Repeating again, listen carefully. Whenever you are calling drop NA method is going to drop the row where at least one value is missing. Chappan sir, where at least one value is missing. Yeah, exactly. Where at least one value is missing actually. Where at least one value is missing, that 0th row deleted actually. But my main motto will be, that is one way. Second way, fill NA. What do you mean by fill NA, Instead of dropping, see, if I am dropping this one, that's still okay. but data imbalance actually. What do you mean by that? This data I wanted to keep. Here I wanted to fill up, instead of dropping the row, I wanted to fill where are all missing values would you have. I wanted to fill with some value. I will tell you that some value later actually. Are you with me or not, sir? See, if you are dropping here, what is happening, sir? You are losing the data. Japan sir, your data really important actually. I don't want to lose the data. I wanted to keep as it is, but missing value I wanted to handle. Then what we need to do now? Fill up actually. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a fill NA. What is the method name?
Fill and yeah.
Fill NA. You can fill up with some number. You can fill with some number actually. So same story. Yeah, you can look at my screen, Sarchi. Daniel, instead of drop NA, fill NA. Here you need to provide what exactly, sir? 0. Based on domain wise, you need to understand. Yeah, very good, man. Look at my screen. 0th row, we do have 0th row, it is written in. Then here none. Here what exactly mean? 0.0. Did you understand? Now I have a question. Any missing values here? Yes. And any missing values here, madam? No missing value. How to check actually? Very nice. You connected, I guess. Previously, one student asked one question. Here, fill NA, giving either 1, 0, 2 or mean, depends upon the domain. Depends on domain. When I say domain, here, 0 works very well. But let me tell you, here if I have given 1, what happened, Can I tell you? Good, let me tell you. Imagine I'm handling, where are all missing value, I'm filling with what exactly mean? 1, which is not good in this scenario. Why it is not good in this scenario? Let me tell you. Imagine my owner came. I'm a boy in shop actually. Now my owner is asking, share me the today business actually. Yeah, 9 apples sold out, I have a money. Next one, 6 apples sold out, I have a money. First of all, this didn't sold out, but I'm filling with what exactly? 1. Then I need to pay from my pocket actually. You should understand, I guess. I mean, which value at what scenario depends upon the domain. Depends on what, Sajji? Domain actually. Can I get a response from you? Very nice. I should not say I have filled with the 1. Wonder will beat actually. Right? Let's take this one. I'm sorry for kidding. Can you tell me what is a fill NA? Yeah, you are calling something by using object name with a parenthesis, method. You are calling something by using object name with parenthesis, method.
Argument.
You guys kindly please walk through. Hey Daniel, can I give some number? Yeah, you can give some number, sir. It's okay. Look at my screen. Good. I will explain the data frame. Listen carefully. I have created a new data frame. Name, age, salary. Please look at my screen. Ranjan, Daniel, Viru, these are all. And age. Age, there is one missing value, man. There is one missing value, age. Okay, Daniel. Now, I wanted to fill this missing value. See, age should not be 0. Can I fill age is the 0 actually? Previously, 0 is valid. 1 is invalid. Now, 0 is invalid. Invalid in the sense, for this domain, for this data, 0 cannot fit actually. Imagine somebody is looking at age 26 years. It's okay. 16 years. The next one. Can I tell a 0 years actually? We should not tell. Are you clear on, sir? Yeah, please make a note on this. These are all through practice you can understand. No shortcut. Don't look for alternatives. Instead of wasting your time by looking at alternatives, do the practice. Data frame is ready, sir. All right. Now, man, missing value. Daniel, how to handle? Let us fill up with 2. Let us fill up with what exactly meant 2. Yeah, you can do it actually. Specific value also you can fill up. specific value, a specific column also you can fill actually. What do you mean by that? Sir, here missing value, we are filling with 22. Imagine, please be silent. There is a name missing value. Now I wanted to add here, name is missing, right? I wanted to add like a unknown. No. What is the person name? I don't know. Are you with me or not, sir? Unknown person, I don't know actually. No name. Instead of no name, unknown person. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Like that, column wise also you can fill. We'll see that one later. Daniel, when? During feature engineering. I know which topic at what time I need to discuss. I know very well. There are some insights for you actually. Yeah, very good, man. Can somebody talk with me? Can somebody tell what is the syntax? Good. First point, I feel so happy. You became very good actually. Recognizing. Can you tell me what is the data frame? Class. What is the whole line? During object creation? Nice, man. Nice. That's it. What is import actually? Keyword. What is the fill in here? What is the df1? Object. What is the df1? Method calling you are assigning into variable. Backend written. Backend. Every point you should aware. Why you have written this point? What it contain in the backend? You should aware actually. That is a best practice, sir. I followed the same pattern when I was learning. These are all discussion actually. Okay. We are good to go, Daniel. Let me fill in a method. Practice, sir. Many number of times practice actually. And if you touch our running notes, lot of examples you can find out. Yeah, we can still fill, sir. We can still fill by using replace method. Good question. By using a replace method also, and we can create a dictionary. For that dictionary, key and values you can use actually. Key and what exactly values you can use, and you can fill up. During project I will cover this scenario. Okay, as of now let me continue. Sir, fill in a method I covered. What method I covered actually? Fill in a method. Just now I have called fill in a method. The next one. Oh, everybody look at my screen. Instead of hard coding the value, so the same code, instead of hard coding the value, can I do one thing? I will take this number and this number. I will calculate average. Can I fill up with average value? You can fill up. That is a good practice. That is what, Sarji? Good practice actually. Best example, can I tell you one small point? Hold on. What happened, So in my schooling, what exactly, sir? Schooling actually. There are some subjects. So subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6, 10th class especially. This is the Daniel progress. Everybody look at my screen, please. Sir, first exam I attended actually. On an average, my score will be 45. Second exam I attended 51 actually, out of 100 actually. Third exam, I don't like that exam. Then that day I got a stomach pain actually, stomach ache. I hope you know actually, am I right? I told to my mother, I don't know what happened. My head is, I'm unable to stand actually. I'm having headache. I'm having what, Sajid? Mother, she don't know. As today's exam actually, what she will tell? Dear son, take a rest actually. That day, sir, I absent actually. What exactly mean? I put absent. Next day, I got a next exam. I like it, and 38 marks I got it, and I am average student, sir. Next one like this actually. Good actually. Now you know what? I kept absent, right? The teacher called me actually. So especially I'm from ZPH school. Hold on. I'm from what exactly mean? ZPH school. In ZPH school, what happened? There is a progress. Every month ending, that is called as an inspection. What is that? Inspection means so-called all teacher superiors will come. They will cross-verify actually. All students are coming or not. How is their performance, progress? They will cross-verify. During that time, if any student absent means what happened? They never scold to the students. They will scold to the faculty. Now it's a teacher turn actually. Teacher called me. Why teacher called actually? Why? Because I put absent. Then she will get a blessings from superior. You understand, I guess actually. You understand, right? Now this teacher is asking, Tell me why you are absent actually. I acted like anything. Madam, you know what happened? I'm having little headache actually. Then I requested, ma'am, please just try to put some marks actually. That is a unit test, not public exam. Then can I ask here 99 marks actually? Madam agreed. Oh, this guy is genuine. He is acting like a, I acted like that actually. Then, yesterday, madam, see, I attended all exams, but I have missed this exam because of literally I'm having headache actually. Then what I need to do, teacher told. She need to fill the marks, otherwise, superiors will come actually. She will get a blessings. Then can I ask here 99 actually? No. Can I ask here at least 98 actually? Now, what madam will do, show me your progress card. And she is looking at all progress card and she will take all this value, calculated the mean, calculated. Here, mean is the best score actually. No doubt also. Chodan could imagine, let me tell you, superior came here 99 actually. Superior will call me. Arey guys, 45, 51, suddenly why you got a 99 actually? That's what here, what exactly mean. Now the point is, I'm sorry for kidding. Go back to the previous scenario. Instead of hard coding, can I calculate some mean value and can I fill out actually? You can do that one. You can do that one actually. Are you clear, sir? Nice example I have covered. I believe you understand. Go back. First of all, let me just try to capture that example. So let's get DF1. Got Daniel data frame is ready. Let us calculate mean. Let me calculate mean. To calculate the mean, what we need to do, sir? First of all, access single column. Yeah, very good, sir. DF1 of, you can access a single column is we are accessing. You will get result as a series. You will get result as what, sir? Series. Though this is the series, I already explained there is a method. Method name is a mean method. What is a method? Mean method. Yeah, good. Then we got a mean as a result actually. With this mean value, can I fill up actually? Yes, you can fill. You can fill. Right. If you want, you can ignore this one. Yeah. So Daniel, let us assign this one with one variable. M actual. Okay. Now, simple. You can just directly call. Specific value only I wanted to fill. Specific value only I wanted to fill actually. Then left hand side you need to add this kind of syntax. See, like how I'm highlighting return keyword, how I'm highlighting method syntax. In pandas there is one separate topic. The topic name is adding a column. What is the topic name? That I'm going to highlight. This is upcoming topic actually. During that time I will raise one statement. That statement will be left hand side. If you are able to see this kind of syntax, that is a statement. Like how I'm asking function calling, we are assigning into variable, right? Same thing like that. One more statement actually. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. Chappan sir? Adding a column. That I can talk later actually, right? For this column, this value I wanted to fill up actually. Yeah, good. Adding a column. We can talk that one later. Yeah, Daniel. So please handling with missing value. Then wow, then Sarji, a reasonable value actually. You cannot even recognize, So let me ask you a few questions. Can somebody tell what is a mean? What is a fill in here? What is a data frame? What is a columns? What is import? Now filling missing values with mean strategy. Strategy. Would you have other strategies? Median, mode, constant. We'll see during feature engineering. Abhishek Sarji. So seems to be I need to cross verify. Good, we done these all. Then the last example. Everybody look at my screen. Drop in a method to handle only missing values. Fill in a method to handle only missing value. But Daniel, there is a value is 26. I wanted to replace 26 with 22. Yeah, replace method. What method? Replace is a method. By using that, you can handle missing value. You can handle normal value also. You can handle what Sachi? Normal, but we are not using in real time. మనం real time యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు. But let me go one small example. Yeah, Daniel, there is a data frame. Yeah, this is the data frame. There is a missing value. I wanted to replace this missing value with some number. Instead of 0, some number actually. You can apply what exactly, sir? Replace method. What method? Replace is a method. It takes 2 parameters. How many? Sir, replace. Where I covered? Did you remember? Same story. Same story actually. Remember that. Do more practice. There is a missing value. Daniel, I want to handle. You can apply drop NA. You can apply fill NA. But let me apply replace. Let me apply what Sachi? Replace. Where are all missing values would we have? It is going to replace with what exactly, sir? Yeah. Nice, sir. Previously, none. Replacing with what exactly? 0. Let me give some 22 value. Why? Because 0 is not fair value for according to the domain. Yeah, good. None. Replacing with 22. We'll do one thing. Right? Here 16 value, right? Daniel, so I wanted to replace 16 with 25. 16 with what exactly? 25. Let me just try to take some 44 here actually. Everybody look at my screen. Then first of all, let me add this example in running notes. What I mean to say that is replace method. Replace method we are using to handle missing value. But still replace method you can use to handle non-missing value also. Imagine here 44. Now let's print a data frame. Let's print what such a data frame. DF1 I do have. Hold on. Now I wanted to replace 44 with 43. 44 with what exactly mean? 43. First one should be 44. Next one should be this is great added advantage actually. That's what you need to be understanding. Where are all 43, 44 is available, then 43 is, so we got it actually. But very rare, sir. Why? Because, data masking. This we should not do actually. Yeah, 44. We are replacing with what exactly? This, if required, then only we can use. Daniel, why? Why? Because, let me talk about in Amazon yesterday. I bought 3 items. Yesterday, already date over actually. How many items? In my whole career, if I touch yesterday date, only 3 items. Imagine Amazon change it to 4 items actually. Is it fair? No. Please make a note. When you're talking about especially historical data should be immutable. Should be immutable actually. Immutable. Okay. Good man. Enough for today's session. I'm sorry for log out early today.